Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Last week I was experimenting with my hair and I came up with this technique on how to do natural waves without any heat. If you're interested in seeing what I did to my hair to get these waves, then keep on watching. Okay, so everything started because I am letting my fringe grow. Nothing was working, okay? The only thing I felt I could do was just hairspraying this to have a very sleek look and then do some waves. I wanted some volume, right? So I wanted to go for a more 70s style, but I had no time and I needed to wash my hair. I wanted something that was going to give me texture, but it wasn't going to leave my hair crunchy, and definitely something that was going to give me hold. I started off with my hair completely wet out of the shower. I just put on some clothes, did my makeup, and was ready to go. If you want to do it like me, you can leave your fringe out before you do this. So don't apply any product in your fringe. And after you do all of your hair, you can blow dry it. What you want to do is mix 1 part of gel. This is the one that I use. I assume you can use whatever you want, your sons, your boyfriends, whatever you have. But because the one that I had was so strong, I thought it was going to be very, very crunchy. And I decided to dilute it with a little bit of leave-in conditioner. Again, this is what I use, but I assume you can use whatever you have. You're going to mix it very well in your hand so you don't have any chunks of gel. That way you won't have spots of gel and spots of leave-in conditioner. And after that, you just want to apply it all around. I like to start with my fingers, so I'm not applying too much product in one place. And after I have applied all of the product, you can start to just scrunch your hair. So you want to come from the bottom up, and instead of doing it very quickly, you want to do it slowly and just grabbing each section. Flip your head around, make sure you've done it everywhere. If you left your fringe out, then this is the time to blow dry it. What I am doing is just putting the brush underneath and drying it like that. I don't know if it's the weather or the time of year or the actual products, but I feel that when I do this to my hair actually dries a lot faster. And when your hair is around 90-95% dry, you just want to put your fingers through your scalp and start messing around with your scalp. So just massage your scalp so you give a little bit of volume. This is going to break all of the gel cast and it's going to leave your hair natural and not crunchy, so it has movement and you can run your fingers through your hair and everything. Try not to touch the ends too much. If you don't have volume in your scalp, definitely want to do this, and you definitely want to apply product in the roots of your hair. This is the end result. I want to say it's a more natural wave and I really like it. Of course, this is going to change depending of your hair texture. I feel this is more like my actual hair texture than the curls that I did with Linseed. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to link it up here. And yeah, that's basically it. I hope you liked this video and I hope you try this out. Let me know in the comments what do you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!